Good morning, everyone. Hello, YouTube. Happy New Year's. I know it's been so long, so long. I haven't actually made content for a while here on YouTube. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you kind of already know our lives and you've been caught up. There I show you my Goldens, which one of them is here with me. And then my life, how they're doing, and all of the updates and whatnot. It is really cold today. It's only 36 degrees, but finally here in the Northeast we got some sunshine, so we have to take advantage of this. Like, the sun feels so warm. I cannot see you. I don't know what you're literally viewing right now, because I cannot see. I forgot my sunglasses, like always, and I forgot my lip balm. My lips are chapped at this moment because of this cold, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check us out. You will not miss anything. Hold on, someone's coming, hold on. Do you see that sun? Don't worry about me if you can't see me. Look at that beauty right behind me. Oh, love it. Love it, love it. So yeah, like I was saying, I know we've been missed here on YouTube, but if you do follow me on Instagram, you kind of know exactly what we're up to and our lives, and you're pretty much caught up with everything. A lot has been happening, a lot of good things, and stay tuned. And yeah, I'm going to try to vlog once a week with short content between 10 to 15 minutes. The vlog, I'm going to try my best. No promises, but yeah, I'm gonna try my best so I can go ahead and give you guys some content. We are still here, and I miss YouTube. I really do. It's just very difficult, guys. Very difficult to pick up this vlogging camera and, all right, turn it on and let's start vlogging. It's easier for me to use my phone, but I will definitely go ahead and try my best. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Come on. Yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I'm here with Mr. Kiespa. Hold on. Wow, I'm surprised there's a lot of people walking. I mean, it doesn't even really feel like 36 degrees because the sun is really warm and I'm not even cold. I'm nice and bundled, but yeah, like I said, it's been horrible here in the Northeast, and I think everybody is ready to come out regardless if it's 20 degrees, 15 degrees, it doesn't really matter. They just want to get out of the house. It's been raining non-stop over here. It is ridiculous. January sucked, let me tell you. It wasn't a bad month, it's just weather-wise, it was horrible. And I just want to get back on my feet, walking with the Goldens, but yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. And I am here with Mr. Kiespa. I'll show you. Here he is, my big boy. He went to the vet, he got his dental cleaning last week. He did really good. I can't believe this guy's gonna be 3 years old this year. Oh, Casper, you gotta slow down. You gotta slow down, buddy. You know? Like, how is it 3? You were just 1 the other day. Oh, I'm telling you. But yeah, I'll go ahead and I will talk to you guys later. And I'm just gonna focus on our walk. Talk to you guys later. the other day I was with Lucky here, and up there were some black bags, and I want to see if he is going to have the same reaction that Lucky did. Lucky was scared of those bags, and I want to see if Casper's reaction. Yeah, I see them. They're up ahead. Nothing. Good boy. Vlog camera and say hello. Oh, look at that white stuff. It's okay, sweetie. Did you get a little nervous when you saw that dog? Come here. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Okay, buddy. Right, Lucky? We gotta do it. It's okay. It's a black bat. Come here, this way. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. There you go. It's okay. Yes. Good boy. Okay. Yep. I like to leave him loose, but because it's on a weekend, it's Sunday, and there's a lot of people that are walking, so I just try to, you know, have him on the leash. But like right now, there's like no one next to me, but when there is people, I kind of like want to put the leash on, because you just never know. There's some people that are afraid of dogs or allergic, and they've had bad experience with them and they get frightened. So, you know, dogs do feed that energy and they also get scared. So I just want to prevent any scenarios, but he does really good. He loves it. He loves to be free. I think every dog agrees on that. And he knows he needs to stay put with mommy. Right, sweetheart? And yeah, I'm gonna let you go because there's a lot of traffic, as you guys can see, in front of us. So I'll talk to you guys later. Oh my God, it's a beautiful day, right, Mr. Casper? Oh, I love it. Yes, Mr. Casper, you also like this weather, right? Great. He agrees complete with mommy. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. Short. I'll talk to you guys later. Over here, Casper.